Welcome to our channel. If you want to pair your Fitbit device with your iPhone, follow these step-by-step instructions to establish a connection and start tracking your fitness data. Step 1. Download the Fitbit app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best compatibility. Step 2. Open the Fitbit app and tap Join Fitbit if you're a new user, or log in if you already have a Fitbit account. Follow the prompts to create or access your account. Step 3. Once logged in, tap the profile icon in the top left corner, then tap Set up a device to begin the pairing process. Step 4. Select your specific Fitbit model from the list of available devices. Make sure your Fitbit is charged and nearby. Step 5. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone by going to Settings, then Bluetooth, and toggling it on. The Fitbit app will use Bluetooth to connect to your device. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app, which may include entering a 4-digit code that appears on your Fitbit device to confirm the pairing. Step 7. Complete your profile by entering personal information such as height, weight, and fitness goals. This helps Fitbit provide accurate tracking and personalized insights. Step 8. Once paired successfully, sync your Fitbit by pulling down on the main screen in the app. Your device is now ready to track your steps, heart rate, and other fitness metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.